The first step is to clean the piece you want to wrap. I personally use alcohol. Make sure to clean the edges, since dirt can hide back there and keep the vinyl from sticking. Here, I'm peeling the backing off of the vinyl one section at a time and laying the vinyl as flat as I can. If there are any large wrinkles or bubbles, it's okay to peel the vinyl back up and stick it down again. Heat will activate the glue on the vinyl and help it wrap around the piece you're working on. So apply some heat and use a felt-covered squeegee to push out any wrinkles or air bubbles. Now I'm peeling up the edges of the vinyl before I try and tuck it behind the chrome piece. By applying heat in sections and tucking it with the felt squeegee, I'm starting to get the vinyl to wrap around the chrome. It's the same idea for the bottom. Use heat and the squeegee to get the vinyl to wrap around the bottom of the chrome piece. In the corner there's some shape to the chrome, so there I'm just pushing it in with the squeegee and trying to get the vinyl to hug the shape as best I can. The ends will wrap around pretty nicely with some heat and stretching. While the trunk is open, I'm going to cut the vinyl on the edges. Here I'm carefully sliding the knife underneath the chrome piece. That way there's no chrome peeking through and everything is wrapped in black. Again, I'm sliding the knife carefully behind the chrome piece. Notice how my knife is sticking up and not into the car. It's pointing into the car. That's how you scratch your paint. Go back over your cut edges with some heat to help it hug the corners. Make sure all your edges are tucked nicely. Finally, you can remove the protective film from the vinyl. I did this with $4 worth of black vinyl wrap in about a half hour of my time. So it's pretty easy to delete your chrome and add some nice black trim to your car. I'll throw links to the vinyl and tools I use down below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos.